Up next on Sci-Fi Fantasy, 1/32 scale Colonial Raptor detail set from Greenstrawberry. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiFantasy.com and welcome to another YouTube video review. Today we get to take another look at a piece from Greenstrawberry, and this time it's for the Moebius Models 1/32 scale Colonial Raptor. And this is the set over here. It's another PE set, and as always we'd like to thank Lucas and Greenstrawberry for sending over the product. And if you haven't checked them out yet, please do at greenstrawberry.cz. They have all the products there and the pricing. This way you can check out what's going on. They have masks, they have PE sets, they have resin sets, a whole bunch of stuff. So go check them out and Lucas will take care of what you need. And as always, please come over to SciFiFantasy.com and check out the site, and hopefully you join the community and start showing off your builds or helping somebody else out with their build or getting a little help from somebody, whatever it may be. So that's pretty much it from me. Let's get over to the bench and check out what's going on with this set. So we'll start off by showing you the package. As always, it's the same thing, the hard cardboard backing, the PE sheet is in here, you're going to have your instructions, and it's the peel off cellophane tab. So that's the usual packaging, always good, comes in safe, and we'll get over to seeing what's in the package now. So inside the package you'll have 2 sheets of PE, your instructions, and also a cutting pattern, and we'll show you what that is for in a second. Let's start off with the directions as we usually do. So it's the standard Greenstrawberry instruction sheet. It shows you everything that comes in the package. It gives you the key to know what's going on when they call something out, and then it goes into your directions. And there's a ton of PE here, some for the engines, some for on the wings, underneath vents. Now, when I was talking about the cutting patterns, it looks like the cutting pattern is right here for the wing, and it looks like those pieces may be like a no-slip grip type of deal that goes on the wings themselves. I'm not sure what it is because I'm not that very familiar with the Moebius Colonial Raptor. Just because I don't like the ship. It kind of reminds me of a G.I. Joe toy. I wasn't impressed with it, but I will get it and build it just because it's out there. So it goes on and shows you exactly what you got to do, and there's a ton of PE in here to enhance the build, and there's a bunch for your landing gear underneath and all that other good stuff. So let me take you over to the PE sheets and show you what we got going on. Well, my bad. Before I go to the PE, this is the pattern, and you cut it out, and this is where it'll fit exactly on the wings, and you can line up how those pieces are supposed to go on the wings, and they do look like non-slip grips to me, so hopefully that's what it is, or it's venting or something like that. So now I'll take you over to the PE sheets. So this is the smaller of the 2 sheets, and this has a lot of the landing gear on it, these big parts here. It looks like these are the feet here, some wiring, and also some more vents, and some parts that go on top of tubing, it looks like. And you got a whole bunch of small intricate parts on here also. The PE sheet is filled with stuff to really enhance this kit, and maybe once I do build the kit and put all this stuff on there, I'll like the way the ship looks itself. This is really cool, and it's really going to add a lot of detail compared to what comes with the ship right away. And here's our second sheet of PE. All of these are for the wings, where I'm thinking that's the no slip grip on the wings, or maybe a little venting or something like that. You have a lot of engine parts over here that are finely detailed and cut out, and then you have some more small parts for underneath and vents, and a couple more parts and a couple small ones over here that you really gotta be careful with and when you're cutting those off. But again, a lot of nicely detailed pieces here that are going to enhance the ship, and I'm always impressed with what Greenstrawberry and Lucas do to get these pieces out and make them look as good as they do. But as usual, let me take you through a slideshow and show you these pieces on the kit. This way you get a better representation of what is going on instead of just looking at a flat piece of metal. So let's get over to the slideshow. So the first slide that we're looking at is both sheets of PE. This way you can see them a little bit better with the venting, the engine parts, the underneath for the landing gear, and all that stuff. Now let's take a look at the next slide, and you can see the Raptor where the wings are. That to me looks like no slip grip, because I think the side there is a door where you can get into, and you can see the little pieces on the front, the little wiring going to the sensor or the gun on the front of the ship, and some steps on the side. In this slide, you get a better look at the steps and the no-slip grip and the panels that are on the engine, or actually looks like a vent, and a entrance panel or something like that on the side next to the door. In this slide, you can see the radar dish in front and the extra wiring made out of photo-etch and the little bits and bobs all over the place to just give it that little extra added detail. Here you have a picture of the engines, which look phenomenal. Light those up and that'll look really good. You can see the venting on the back and also the PE at the bottom for the landing gear itself. This one, you get a good look at the bottom with the landing gear, radar dishes, more venting, and the added detail to bring that realism to your model. And in this shot, you get a better look at the venting and the radar dishes and the landing gear and everything that's going on the bottom of the ship. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks again for stopping by and checking out another one of our videos. And if you're interested in this set or anything else from Greenstrawberry, like I said at the beginning of the video, just go to www.greenstrawberry.cz, which is right here. Check them out. You can check out all the products and see if there's anything there you want. And again, thank you to Lucas and Greenstrawberry for sending it over. We really appreciate it. And we got one more set coming up, and it'll be a Star Wars set from Greenstrawberry. That'll be our next review. And then most likely we'll be getting into Superboy. I got to order paints for him still. And we're still working on stuff for the Bird of Prey, 3D printing stuff up and trying to get that going along. So as those come along, hopefully I'll have more build videos coming up soon. As always, if you have any questions or comments, just throw them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. The phone's always on beeping and I got nothing to do at home besides this, and I like answering what you guys ask or say or whatever you got going on. A lot of interaction is always good. So take care of yourselves, guys. Thanks again for stopping by. I'll see you all soon. Take care and bye-bye.